Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the lesson algebraic identities and worksheet 5, isn't it? We were in a worksheet 5. Now coming to the second question, by using the suitable identity evaluate the following. They have not given this, they had given the question using the suitable identity. But when you see 102 into 104, that means it can be written as 100 plus 2, 100 plus 4. So it is of the fifth identity. First terms are same, x. Second terms are a and b, different. So use this identity. So x is equal to 100, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. In example already we have done this type of sums, isn't it? Example 11. Okay, now coming to x square. That is why I have written the identity. So I am not writing it again and again, but for the exam you have to write which identity. On the right side you have to write the identity, then you proceed. Okay, x square, that is 100 square, plus a plus b, 2 plus 4, into x, that is 100, plus a into b, 2 into 4. 100 square, that is 10,000, 2 zeros, 4 zeros it will be, plus here you have to open the bracket, 2 plus 4 is 6, into 100, bracket का मतलब into, plus 2 4s are 8. 10,000 plus 6 into 100, 600, plus 8. Now addition, you have to be careful. Ones place 8, tens place 0, hundreds place 6, thousands place 0, 10,000s place 1. Answer is 10,608. Now coming to the second sum, 105, 103. 100 plus 5, 100 plus 3. Again fifth identity, first terms are same, second terms are different. So x is equal to 100, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3. That is 100 square, x square, 100 square, a plus b, a 5 plus b 3 into 100 plus a into b, 5 into 3. 100 square is 10,000 plus bracket open, 5 plus 3, 8 into 100 plus 5 3s are 15. Now 10,000 plus 800 plus 15, ones place 5, tens place 1, hundreds place 8, thousands place 0, 10,000s place 1. 10,815. Coming to the third sum, 206, 205. 200 plus 6, 200 plus 5. So x is equal to 200, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5. So remember how to identify this one fifth identity. First terms are same, but the second terms are different. So x square, that is 200 the whole square, plus a plus b, 6 plus 5 into x, that is 200 plus ab, 6 into 5. 200 square, 2 2s are, 2 square is 4, 2 zeros, you put 4 zeros, so you got 40,000 plus 6 plus 5 is 11 into 200 plus 6 5s are 30. So you got 40,000 plus 11 2s are 22 and 2 zeros plus 30. Ones place it is 3. Sorry, ones place it is 0. Tens place it is 3. Hundreds place it is 2. Thousands place 2. 10,000s place 4. So it is 42,230. Calculation you have to be careful, okay? Now 98, 96. 90 plus 8, 90 plus 6 you can do, otherwise 100 minus 2, 100 minus 4, isn't it? 98 is 100 minus 2, 96 is 100 minus 4. So x is equal to 100, a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to minus 4. When there is a subtraction, means negative integers, you have to be careful. This is a x square, that is 100 square, plus a minus 2 plus b minus 4 into x, that is 100, plus a minus 2 into b minus 4. 100 square is 10,000 plus bracket open minus 2 minus 4 means minus 6, सेम साइन है तो ऐड करने का है ना, into 100 put within the bracket plus signs are same, so sign will be plus now, isn't it? Answer, it will be positive. 2 4s are 8. Now 10,000 minus, because signs are different, minus 600 plus 8. Now add the positive ones, it will be 10,008 minus 600. So it will get, this is a 8 minus 0, 8, 0 minus 0, 0. Now hundreds place 10 minus 6 is 4, here it will be 9. Answer is 9,408. So negative integers, then there will be subtraction, so you have to be careful. Practice the horizontal addition and subtraction. Now coming to the fifth sum under this section, it is 87 into 85. So it is not near to 100. So you can take 80 plus 7, 80 plus 5. If it is 90s, then you can go for 100, okay, 100 minus. But here don't take that chance, it will be difficult. So it is 80 plus 7, 80 plus 5. So x is how much? 80. A is how much? 7. B is how much? 5. x square, that is 80 the whole square, plus a plus b. A is 7, b is 5. Now x is 80 plus ab, 7 into 5. Now 80 square, it is 8 square is how much? 64. 1 0, we have to put 2 zeros, plus 7 plus 5, sorry, here it is plus, sorry, a plus b, 7 plus 5 is 12 into 80, isn't it? Plus 7 5s are 35. So better be careful, here it is plus, here it is into. It will be 6400 plus 12 8s are 96 and 1 0 plus 35. When you add 1's place, it is 5. 10's place, it is 6 plus 3, it is 9. Now 100's place, 4 plus 9, that is 10 13. 1000's place, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 3 9 5. Now coming to the sixth sum, 104 and 95. So this can be written as 100 plus 4, 100 minus 5, isn't it? You have to see, first term should be same. You can't take 90 plus 5. So x is 100, a is how much? It is 4 and b is minus 5. Now x square, that is 100 square, plus a plus b, 4 minus 5, into x, that is 100, plus a into b, 4 into minus 5. 100 square, that is 10,000. Now signs are different. 5 minus 4, 1. But sign of this is minus. So minus 1 into 100. Now here different signs. So minus 4 5s are 20. 10,000 minus 100 minus 20. So it will be 10,000. Negatives को add करो, minus 120. 1's place 0. 10 minus 2, 8. Now here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 1, 8. Now here 9. 9,880. We are borrowing, isn't it? Now coming to the seventh sum. It is 97 into 102. So it is near to 100. So what we can do? 102. 100 plus 2. 97. 100 minus 3. Isn't it? 97 is 100 minus 3. 102 is 100 plus 2. Okay, now x is equal to 100. A is equal to minus 3. B is equal to 2. Hope all students are understanding. First term should be same. The second terms are different. You have to arrange like that. So x square, 100 the whole square, plus a minus 3, b plus 2 x 100 plus a into b minus 3 into 2. So it will be 100 square, that is 10,000 minus plus, different signs, difference, subtract, isn't it? We have to do the subtraction. Bigger sign is minus, 3 minus 2 is 1 into 100 plus, signs are different, minus 3 2s are 6. So it will be 10,000 minus 100 minus 6. Add the negative ones, 10,000 minus 106. When you add these two, it will be minus 106. Now subtract 10 minus 6. Borrowing, so 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it will be 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Here it is 9 minus 1, 8. Here 9 is remaining. 1, it's not there. Okay. Now 203 and 198. It is near to 203, isn't it? 200. So 200 plus 3, 200 minus 2. 198 can be written as 200 minus 2. So x is equal to 200, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2. 200 the whole squared, x squared, a plus b, 3 minus 2, x 200, a 3 into b minus 2. 2 square 4, 2 zeros, put 4 zeros, that means 40,000 plus 3 minus 2, 1 into 200 plus, signs are different, minus 3 2s are 6. So it will be 40,000 plus 200 minus 6. That means 40,200, add 40,200 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. Here it will be 9. Here it will be now 1. Then 0. Then you got 40,194. Is it clear? So this was the worksheet 5, question number 2. Now the 9th sum. In this 10 sums are there. 35 and 37 nearing to 30. So, or you can use 40. Both are same, isn't it? So, we will do 40 minus 5, 40 minus 3. Plus is easy, but we will do the tougher one. This 40 minus 5 is 35, 40 minus 3 is 37. Either way you can do, okay? X is equal to 40, a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to minus 3. That is 40 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 3 x, that is 40, a into b. 40 square, 4 square, 16, 1 0, put 2 zeros, now plus, same sign, add, but the sign will be minus, 5 plus 3, 8, into 40, plus, same sign, there will be plus, 5 3s are 15, 1600, different signs, multiplication, so minus, 8 4s are 32, 0 plus 15. Add the positive one, so it will be 1615 minus 320, 5 minus 0, 5, 1 minus 2 means 11 minus 2, 9. Now here it will be only 5, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 1. 1295. When you do 30 plus 5, 30 plus 7, then also the answer should be same. Now coming to 106 and 93. It will be 100 plus 6, 100 minus 7. 93 is 100 minus 7. X is equal to 100, A is equal to 6, B is equal to minus 7. X square, 100 the whole square, A 6 plus B, sorry, directly we are writing 6 minus 7, isn't it? Into X, that is 100 plus A into B. 100 square is 10,000. Why? 2 zeros, you have to put 4 zeros, isn't it? Plus, signs are different. Bigger number is having minus. 7 minus 6 is 1 into 100. Signs are different, so that is why minus. 6 sevens are 42. That is 10,000 plus, here it will be, okay, now we will remove the sign, minus 100 minus 42. नेगेटिव्स को ऐड करोगे 10,000. क्यों नेगेटिव्स को ऐड करने का है? सेम साइन you add and put the sign of a minus, negative number, isn't it? Minus 142. 10 minus 2, 8. Here now 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. Here 9. Answer is 9858. Is it clear? Little bit confusing. So be careful with the signs, whether to add, whether to subtract and all. Practice is needed, isn't it? Bye. Thank you.